Eufy Security just came out with their brand new 4K security cameras. They improved the quality from 2K to now 4K, and with that long gone are the days of blurry or choppy or pixelated security cam footage. Look at that zoom in, it is mind-blowing. The video quality is next level, and what's more, these are solar powered cameras. They can sustain themselves forever basically if there is sun, and whether it's day or night you will get ultra clear 4K footage, complete with AI features, face recognition, all of that good stuff. And the new home base is of course compatible with all other security devices, and you can easily expand the storage, and we'll go through all of that. And best of all, there is no monthly fee as it should be, so let's get right to it. Got the new drip from Eufy Security, the S330 eufyCam kit, including two cameras which are called eufyCam 3 and the S380 home base, which is also called home base 3. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you, and now let's check it out. So here we have the box. Let's get rid of the wrap first. There is a lot going on this box. So here we have the front. There are so many details on here. And then on top we have the brand. On the bottom we have more specs and details. Then we have this on the side. This is of course a smart home application. Then we have this side with the app right there. Amazing features, and on the back we have even more features and even more details. So here we have a few selling points, and also down here the contents of the box. And this is of course by Anchor Innovations. So let's open it up. It will just slide out slowly but surely. There we go. So in this set we have the two cameras and the base. So base, camera 1, camera 2, and then in here we of course have all the accessories and the paperwork, and there is a lot. Perfect. Rest is empty. So yeah, let's get right to it. Accessories, here we go. Starting with the paperwork. Very nice case right here. Love that. So first of all we get two positioning cards. Then we also get this card with all the service hotlines. Backside right here. You can also use this, and this is a sticker by the way. Pretty cool. And then we also have this multi-language quick start guide. So 18 pages, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's even in color. It is amazing. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and that's it. And aside from that, we also got this tray that's full with amazing looking accessories. So we get two of these, and these are for mounting the cameras. So this part right here, this is, you can screw this off so that you can insert the screws. And then we also have this part for the actual camera placement. And when you screw it tight, when you screw it all, that's a genius invention. When you screw it all together, now you can move it around. And when you screw it tight, then this will also fix this ball joint in place. It's actually, wow, this is very stable. 1 second, I need to show you this. Look at this ball. It has this nice pattern to it, which is quite rough. So this way it will be held in place quite nicely. So the build quality of this alone is already amazing. And this little plate right here. So yeah, we will get two of them. Then of course the power brick for the base, and there are two attachments, this and also this, which I will need. So snaps in place, and it's also easily exchangeable. Absolutely amazing. The brick is looking really nice too, and here are all the specs, and the length of the cable is 2 meters I think. And lastly we also get the screws for wall mounting the camera holders. Then we also get this SIM tray removal tool and tiny screws, so 2 sets of screws for the wall attachments. And then we also get this USB-A to USB-C cable, and also an Ethernet cable. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. So here we go, 2 cameras and the base, and it feels so solid. The quality is outstanding. It's amazing. Great build quality. I cannot believe it. This is a top-notch product. And the base, check this out. Press here to open the cover and you can insert a hard drive. We'll get to that in a second. And it works like this. Magnetic, by the way. Love that. Yeah, and this way we can expand and enjoy the local storage. So dope. All right, let's get to a close overview. Let's start with one of the cameras. So on the side, we have this, on the other side, same. On top, we have the solar panel. It's quite hard to see. Right here, we have the cells. 1, 2, 3, 4. All in all, we have 20 cells, 10 and 10. Anyways, on the back, we have a sync button. We have the threaded insert for the attachments, and we also have this, and this is a USB-C port if you need to charge it. And lastly, the front right here, looking amazing. We have 2 LEDs, we have the camera and also more sensors and the microphone. Yeah, and down here might be another light source for the night vision, I suppose. Absolutely amazing. Let's move them aside, and now let's get to the base. So on the side, it says Bionic Mind AI technology. Same on the other side, looking and feeling amazing. It has rubber feet, so good stability. On the front, we have this with a little LED indicator, and on the back, we have the sync button. Also alarm off, and then we have 2 times USB-A, Ethernet and power. On the bottom we have the rubber feet, also the name of the base, QR code and the speaker, and also the reset button right here. This is why you get the tool. And the top with the magnetic cover looks like that. So we have the hard drive slot, and of course please power it off before you insert one. And that's that. Absolutely mind-blowing build quality, and the design is super sleek. I love the design, it's perfect. Not bad, right? Next up is the app overview, then the setup, and then of course a test back to back, so let's go. So first of all, let me show you how easy it is to expand the storage. So let's open up the top and let's screw it open. Then right here, we can pull it out. That's the little tray right here. And this one will fit these 2.5-inch drives, HDDs or SSDs, of course. So just like that. And the screws for that are in this little baggie. So there we have it. Love the branding on the bottom. Yeah, now let's just slide it in carefully and then press it in. It will snap in place, and there we have it. This is a 1 terabyte drive, by the way. So plenty of space, to say the least. Screw it tight again. And that's that. Then next up, let's plug it in. It's booting up. The dot is blinking red. So let's proceed to the app. When you type in Anchor Eufy, you will find the security app right off the bat. Publisher is Anchor, quite a lot of apps, but yeah, it's the security app, it's not that hard to find. So let's download and install it. So there we go, let's open it up. This, and this. All right, so let's accept this, of course, and then sign up. So here we go. Meanwhile, the base station actually talked to me, and by now I'm signed up. I confirmed my email. Let's allow all of that. Oh, nice. Yeah. Let's do it. Perfect. Okay. Right on. Yeah, now let's add a device. Let's of course start with the new home base. Let's add it to my home, and we also need to hook it up to our router. All right, there. So let's click on next. Yes. Okay, now we need to wait. Why is it red? All right. Oh, and it already turned blue. There we go. It's blinking blue. That is wonderful. Okay, let's scan the QR code on the bottom of the home base.
Welcome to Eufy Security. Follow the instructions in the Eufy Security app to set up the system.
Yes. So, almost there, connecting to the base. Okay, let's try that again.
Homebase has received a pairing request. Press the sync button on the back to accept it.
That's better. So, button is right here.
Homebase was added successfully.
Right on. Perfect. Okay, let's just go for Homebase. So, let's confirm that. Okay, so check it out, it comes with AI features. Let's add a familiar face. Okay, let's take a photo. Okay, I look kind of weird, but here we go. Okay, save that. That's me, Chris, and I'm a family member. All right, let's save that. And as always, first of all, before anything else, It's always recommended to upgrade the firmware, but in my case it's up to date. And to improve the wireless range, keep this in mind. And let's click on finish for now. So now we have the home base with the Bionic Mind AI, and we also have the storage right here. But first of all, we need to format it. So down here, let's do it. So I think it's done. So here we can see the local storage and also the hard drive. And we can also check the video archive, but of course, nothing there yet. So let's add another device. Let's add a camera to our house and
press the sync button until you hear the beep.
let's press and hold the sync button for 2 seconds. There we go. So it's now flashing blue as well as the home base. So let's
Ready
click.
to add device.
All right. Wow, they're communicating over sound.
Device was added successfully.
That is amazing. So this will be outdoor, backyard. All right. Before mounting it, fully charge the camera. Yes, all right. Also mounting tips, that is awesome. Look at that. This is amazing. Yeah, and you need to keep in mind that this will be charged by the sun, so give it a proper position for that so that the solar panel can work. And that's a live view right there. So that's me behind the camera. And yeah, we are good to go. And lastly, let's add the second camera as well. We already know. Easy. All right. And now this one, let's go for living room. Perfect. And there we go. Same as before. So here we have it. Easy as that. Now we have the living room camera. So yeah, 4K with 8x magnification. And you can easily zoom in, zoom out. So check this out. That is crazy. Hold to speak. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, wow. Check.
Check.
So you can also talk out of these cameras. That is so cool. Living room camera. Backyard camera. So also we can take a video in here. Then we can take a screenshot. Also right here, we can mute the sound. And lastly, we also have this. We have events. Then we can activate the spotlight night vision and the black and white night vision. Then right here, we can sound an alarm. And right there, we can also turn on the spotlight. So cool. And we can also check out the settings. So we have motion detection available with all sorts of detections. We can also test it. We can check the power manager. We can optimize the battery life. We can set the spotlight brightness from low to medium and also to high. Oh, my eyes, but medium should do. And anti-theft detection, we can turn that on. So when the camera is moved, then it will sound an alarm. But in my case, for testing and mounting it, that would be a bad idea. Also, here are the video settings. We can timestamp it and put the logo on it. Let's just only go for the timestamp. No, actually, let's go for both. We can set the streaming quality. Also the recording quality. Of course, we want that 4K resolution. We can check the night vision and privacy zones right here. This is actually genius. So here we can hear the fan of the home base. And of course, we can also down here in the settings, we can also remove this device again. And we can also share this device. And if you have feedback, it's right there. Events, we have the AI features and we have the security tab. Let's set them up. So the backyard camera is now in the backyard and the living room camera is now in my room. When we click on the home base, we can see the 2 cameras right there. So let's go back. So these are the paired devices. And also by now we have so many events. So the AI already detected someone in the living room right there. Well, actually that's me. Makes sense. Let's check out the backyard. We have the 4K resolution right there and we can zoom in, check out what's going on. So just today, I mounted 4 new solar panels on this roof right there. There is one right here as well. And I love the fact that the cameras also have solar. So let's take a video. So there we have it. And now let's check out the living room camera. So yeah, it's right there, literally right there. And wide angle of view, it's looking amazing. Let's also take a video right here. That is so cool with my PC right there. My setup. It's a bit messy, as you can see. And now for the next tests, let's test the spotlight and night vision. First of all, indoor. So let me turn off this light. And as you can see, it will automatically switch to the night vision. Oh, this is so cool. You can see it right there, these red lights. This is the infrared light. And the resolution is crazy. So let's take a video with the night vision. This is the black-white night vision. Of course. Let's, just for fun, let's turn on the light. Yeah, it will switch fast. That's dope. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, and now let's also check out the color night vision. Alright, so yeah, this will drain the battery faster, of course. And when I'm out of the preview mode of the live view, then it will also turn off the spotlight. But when I move around, it will of course detect my motion. Turn on. Chris has been detected. This is so cool. Okay, I will hide now. So there we go. Chris has been detected once more, and let's hide again. Okay, just turned off. So this will stay active for a few seconds. And let's also check out the backyard once more. So as you can see, the sun is already setting. It's getting quite dark out there. Let's check out the events. So we have 2 clips of my mom. That's awesome. So that's my mom working in the garden, picking up these fruits. This is so cool. And also this, picking up the rest of the fruits. But yeah, just in a few minutes, we can check out the outdoor night vision. And I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, so far so good. It's really easy to set up. It's working right out of the box without any issues. And yeah, it's just so simple. So we are back. So I was just spotted in the living room, but let's check out the backyard. That's what I'm interested in. Oh, so there we go. So outdoor footage, black-white night vision. This is what that looks like. Look at that. Look at all these details. That is crazy. Little insects flying. Love it. In the left corner we can see the branding, Eufy security, and in the right corner, in the right upper corner, we can see the timestamp and the date. And let's check the night vision with the torch. Alright, so that is looking amazing actually. Wow. The details are amazing. Can't believe it. Let's turn that off again. And lastly, it's around, well, almost 2 hours later, I guess. Let's check out the events. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at all these events. So it recognized my face and it also recognized the human, as you can see, and it will right there. That is so cool. And also right there. Yep. Wow, look at that. It even detected a human behind this. That is pretty dope, actually. So that is me after the training. That is so funny. Yeah, so this is the newest release of Eufy Security. Their newest cameras, they went from 2K resolution now to 4K. Many new features and upgrades. It works perfectly and the quality is astounding, as you saw. Also, they will stay on forever, well granted if there is sun, but if not, the battery will still last a full year. And what's also great is the color night vision. So with this you will get amazing 4K resolution 24/7 whether it's day or night. And aside from that, they just look amazing and the build quality is also top notch. The base is also great with AI features, expandable local storage, and also there is no monthly fee. You buy it once, you own it, like it should be. So all in all, it's a great release. Definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you, but before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.